are in MHC, and we have dogs. Just a few. Today, our goal is to get as much rotten flesh as possible, so that we can breed our dogs, because breeding dogs is a good thing. Yeah, thanks. Do you have any bones? No? Alright. Let's go ahead. I'm trying to think. I can go to the Nether. I didn't have much luck there before. I should probably replant this, actually. I can go to the Nether and hope that we have better luck than we had previously. Or I can do other stuff and just wait for night. And I'm thinking I probably want to head to the Nether. Really, I made this wrong. Okay. Anyway, so I think that's what we'll do. I'm gonna go ahead and plop a chest down and empty this. We also need to get more dyes, because I need to color all these dogs. So, alright, we gotta put some jack-o'-lanterns back out there. We'll keep the gold sword, just in case. Right. So let's... There's gotta be a place to get dye. We're in a plain, so we can get dye over here. We won't sprint too much, just because it's unnecessary. This episode is going to go out at basically the latest point possible, purely because I'm recording it at such an inopportune time. So it probably won't get edited and rendered. Well, say edited. I have to add my intro to it, so that's about the extent of the editing. But that probably, it won't get compressed and rendered and stuff ready for uploading until like a few hours later after this. And then the uploading with my poor internet takes a few hours. So it'll either go out like in the AM of Tuesday, like CST AM, or it'll go out like sometime close to midnight. Well, that's fine. Like, if it doesn't get in the player update video, so be it. Most of the time that I've been late uploading these, which has been the past couple because of stuff that goes on that for whatever reason delays me in my schedule. Michael still managed to watch it and get it in there, which I appreciate. But if it doesn't get in, then it's no big deal. I record these because I enjoy doing the challenges, not for honorable mentions and such. Okay. I'm getting these like 5 frame lag spikes, and it's probably because I'm rendering chunks. They are slightly irritating. That's okay though. It's by far better than lag spikes I was getting previously. Alright, and we continue. Trying to think. Is there any flowers actually? Because these give me gray, yellow, red, pink. Okay, so we can dye one pink. This is gray too. There you go. That's orange. Unfortunately, we don't need orange. So we need lapis to get the blues and the purples. And might have to use some bone meal for stuff. other than making food. Okay. So, just about noon. We can probably go to the nether at this point. Just gonna make this into pink. And dye you. I've given up on naming them. There's just no way I'm gonna remember unless I take notes, and oh well. Notes are difficult. Alright. So we'll pop in the nether and hope that we get like a bazillion rotten flesh. Because that would be good. I'm a fan of bazillion rotten flesh. So, what's been going on? Let's think. What has been going on? Nothing much. At least not in my world. Been making 60-minute maps, which is something I would encourage anyone that likes building challenge type things. Why is it taking forever to load? Whatever. Let it download terrain for hours. Alright. But anyone that likes to challenge themselves should make 60-minute maps. I wouldn't say awful, but I would say I am challenged when it comes to creating maps. I never like completing anything. But 60-minute maps are short, sweet, to the point, so you can get it done literally in an hour, and doesn't give me a chance to be lazy and not finish the project. You'll notice I'm not pillaring this time, just because no real need to at this moment. Alright, let's keep track how much we get. Up to 2. We don't want to be in here too long, but I want to get a decent amount. That was a small lag spike of this stuff. I should probably pick up mushrooms. Yeah, tiny lag spikes. Alright, just back off a bit. Give it a second update. Alright, that's okay. it's lagging. Alright, lag seems to be gone now. Oh, maybe not. It's okay. You'll notice I backed off behind this soul sand because it gives me a chance to kind of catch them. I think I know what's causing the lag, and it's the fact that I'm running something else in the background. But I can't really stop it at the moment, so. Alright, guys. There we go. What in the world just happened to you? That poor baby went into a wall. You know, it annoys me that they don't drop as much rotten flesh as normal zombies. I think they should. That would be good. Here, pigman. I don't know where he is, though. Alright, we can head back now. I've got 7. That's something. And we'll kill more pigs on the way. I'm not really concerned dying to these guys. Unless I get swarmed really bad. I think the program in the background's finished up, so the lag should pretty much be gone now. I was just running a thing for school, rendering out a presentation. So, that was probably the cause of this moderate. Okay. Remember how I said I wasn't concerned about dying these guys? It's because they're really slow. You, though, I am slightly concerned about. So I'm just gonna run over here, and we're gonna go like this. Oh, shoot. Okay, I may have made a small mistake there. It's all good. There's always a solution. Alright. Stone axe it is. I don't want to be here because there's a chance that it'll come from above me. So I'll kill you, pick up our stuff, and head into the overworld. Hey, Pikmin. We got like 10 flesh or something like that. And it should be nighttime pretty soon. So, we got 11 flesh. So we should be fine. There's just not much else to do during the daytime in this challenge, at least not at the moment. I'm sure I could think of something like building, which I'm not a big fan of. I was talking about 60-minute maps at one point, and I've kind of gotten off topic. But yes, I know a lot of people know what 60-minute maps are. If you don't know what a 60-minute map is, it's where you take an hour, and using random theme words, you build a map in that hour. And it's just starting to be nighttime. Wonderful. Hey guys. Alright. You're low health, alright. Looking for ones with high tails. You've got a high tail, yeah. And you've got a high tail. No, babies. Ugh. Alright. Hi, leg spike. So good. Alright, yep. 3 new babies. Come on over here. I want to put you guys in here before I go out hunting. Alright. Oh, that was actually really lucky. I should make an iron sword. Oh. Thank you for letting me jump, game. I don't have any wood, do I? There's trees right here. Grab a bit of wood. Alright. I want to survive this month, so... because I haven't... This is only my second MHC. And I survived the first one. So, my goal is to survive this one, and then I will have never died in MHC. I want to maintain never dying, because dying is bad, not dying is good, and we're going to get a disc here. Oh, no, I messed it up. I never remember how many times I'm supposed to hit. Hey. Oh yeah, bones, arrows, good stuff, all around. Alright. Let's get some zombies, shall we? I was hoping you might spawn some other zombies, but that's okay. Hi, Enderman. What are you doing? Not much. 1 second. There we go. Oh, now it spawns a zombie. Okay. There we go. This is what we're looking for. Zombie, zombie, zombie. All the zombies. Zombies are good. I like zombies. Easy to kill. And they drop rotten flesh. And they deal no damage, and they aren't the smartest things. Alright, you guys want to just come over here? Alright. Make sure you're not backing me into something. I do like that creepers run away from other exploding creepers. It's a very small addition to the game, but very nice. Yeah. Take a bit of damage. Not a big deal. Okay. Hi guys. I'll feed you some rotten flesh in a second. I remember which crop is a potato. Not you. Not you. Not you. I'm not gonna remember which one's a potato. That's okay. One of them was a potato at one point. Alright, let's go ahead and find the zombie. Nice. Plenty of rotten flesh. Alright. You're breedable. That was not the smartest plan, my friend. Alright. Might as well get you guys all up to full health and breeding form. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to eat you. Because otherwise I'm gonna have a bit of trouble. Here comes some zombies. Just about daytime as well. Oh. Okay. Dogs everywhere. Alright. This. That. Another piece of rotten flesh. Do you dogs want to come over here and sit? That dog out there is just chasing skeletons. Yep, sit. I could fish, I guess. Sit. But, whatever. Grab some bones. Grow some wheat. Still got that one dog all the way out there. There we go. And it should just about be... What, day 8 is what it's switching over to? So, I don't know why I'm trying to make bread in a furnace. Yep, there we go. It's switched over to day 8. We'll eat the bread so you know that I'm gonna have a bit of health back. And we're up to quite a few dogs. So, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you next time for Day 8, MHC, November 2015, Dog Pack, one of the pack, whatever it's called. Alright, see ya.